Hey, good afternoon, risk managers and traders. It's Dan Sugar with TrendlineBreak.com. I wanted to go over today in the video the top 5 reasons why you should be a trend follower and learning how to draw trend lines. Okay. Um, Before I get into that, several of you are familiar with John Murphy. Many consider one of the fathers of technical analysis. Wrote a couple great books in the late 70s, early 80s. Technical analysis of the financial markets, and his follow-up was intermarket technical analysis. Um, and he also started stockcharts.com. But anyway, been around for a long time. Here's what he says about trend lines. The trend line is perhaps the simplest and most valuable tool available to the chartist or trader. Simple and valuable. Okay. That's a good, powerful statement. And then the second one from John Murphy, not from Dan Sugar, from John Murphy: the violation of a trend line is often the best warning of a change in trend. When you get below an uptrend line, changes to a downtrend. When you get above a downtrend line, changes to an uptrend. Many, many times. Not all the time. They don't work 100%. Nothing does. But it's a great start. So number one, trend following's been around for over 120 years. Started in like 1900, 1895. I got the history of trend lines in my ebook. But it's been around for over 120 years, used successfully by banks, institutions, and hedge funds, and bank traders and several traders. Um, if you're familiar with Richard Dennis's turtle traders, all Richard Dennis's highly successful turtle traders used trend following in their swing trading and investing. And then it's a leading indicator, folks. It's not a lagging indicator like RSI, MACD, moving averages. Those are all lagging a few candles, a few minutes or more. Uh, Trend lines are real time. They're real time leading indicator. And number 5 is they're very easy to learn and implement, right? Always would tell my students the beauty's in the simplicity. Once you learn them, they're not that difficult to draw, and they're pretty simple. If you can connect the dots, like in kindergarten or second grade, you can become a good trend line drawer as well. And One last thing to keep in mind, folks, is you can apply trend lines to all styles of trading, from intraday trading, short-term trading, or swing trading, I should call it, swing trading, where you hold a position for 2 days to maybe 2, 3 weeks, and then position trading, where you hold a trade or a position or an option or for a month to 2 or 3 months, and then investing. So once you learn trend following and trend lines, you can apply it to any trading style: day trading, swing trading, position trading, and investing. And you can also, it's universal. You can also apply it to any asset class: stocks, options, futures, forex, crypto, etc. Anything with a chart that's liquid, any liquid asset that has a chart that does some volume and has a tight spread between the bid offer. So all trading styles and all asset classes. So I do have a free lead magnet. Introduction to trend following covers the history, how to draw them, several chart examples. Email me at dan@trendlinebreak.com. I'll be happy to send you a link for a free uh, lead magnet, free PDF. It's 31 pages, all about trend following. There's John Murphy's quote again: simplest and most valuable. But just email me, and it's free, no obligation. But you need to learn trend following and trend lines to become a successful investor, day trader, and everything in between, and all asset classes. Okay. Thanks, everyone. See you next time.